You already hold one-on-ones with your team, but do they build on each other, or does every meeting start cold? This is the 1-1 Meeting and Goal-Tracking Workbook, one connected file that keeps a running record of every one-on-one and every goal for each person you manage. Most managers keep no thread across their meetings, so action items live in whoever's notebook, and development goals get talked about once and never tracked. This workbook fixes that with 8 connected tabs: a team roster, a meeting log, an action tracker, a goals tracker, a per-report snapshot, and a team dashboard, plus the method behind them. Every action you agree in a one-on-one goes here, with an owner and a due date. An open item that's past its date is flagged overdue. One due within a week, due soon. They stay on the list and surface on your dashboard until you close them. Nothing agreed quietly slips. The Goals tab tracks 1 row per goal, with a measure of success, a target date, and a progress bar. Beyond a simple percentage, it checks whether each goal is on pace, comparing progress against the time elapsed. A goal that's 20% done, with 80% of the time gone, shows up as behind, long before its deadline surprises anyone. Once a week, the team dashboard is your 5-minute read. Who's overdue for a one-on-one, whose actions are slipping, and which goals are at risk. And before each individual meeting, open the Report Snapshot, pick that person, and see their whole picture on one screen, so you walk in knowing exactly where you left off. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. With a one-click, make a copy link for Sheets, and you own it outright. No seats, no monthly fee, no people management app holding your team's notes behind a login. Just the structure and the method in a file you keep. It's an instant download. The 8-tab workbook plus 4 guides the moment you check out. Find it at ardentworkshop.com and try the free single report starter first. Tools for the modern team.